that just take out your pants? Oh man, Alucard's got only his chest plate left, and I have... Oh crap, my armor's almost totaled too. Yo, Alucard. I really wanted to see this from your perspective, but like, yeah. Like how... Oh, dang it! I was trying to make it like completely to you. Oh. Dang it, you took out my shoes, didn't you? This is like a really even battle. Like, we're both good at PvP, so it's like awesome. Yeah, so you're like the ranged, I'm like the beast, but... I mean, I'm pretty good with the bow, I'd say, but I'm not a beast with it. Yeah. Oh crap, that freaking did 3 hearts of damage, holy crap. I feel like doing a PvP, like, tournament, but... Yeah, I really want to fight Avenge.
Hey guys, leave a like and subscribe to my videos.
Holy crap, you should see my Diamond Sword's durability. My Diamond Sword's durability is like almost halfway. God dang it, Gilda, you ass! Well, I guess, yeah, frickin' edge record, you jerk. I need to make you that skin. Cause I have my, Chaos Rainbow, what is it? Rainbow Chaos Speed? No, I mean, I forgot what we named it, like, Chaos... No, I mean, Chaos what? Like, Chaos Flash or Rainbow Speed? Oh yeah, Chaotic Rainbow. Oh my god, I'm sick of this. Yeah, you're freaking all the way over there. You punk! Imagine doing like a fight in third person. I'm awesome at third person. Except I only get to use it when I'm like at your house because my computer doesn't let me do it for some reason. Yeah.
Bow shot.
I love this song! Oh, with the Optifine? You're welcome. Stop running, you pussy. Ow, that kinda hurt. See, when you know how to dodge arrows like me, it's kinda awesome. Oh, there goes your freaking chest plate. Ow! I mean, I would have posted this, like, if I win, I would have posted it if you won too, just because it's like, come on, this is awesome. This fight is awesome. Dude, look at my armor. Come look at my armor. Yeah, I know. Oh my god, dude. Look, you can see my rainbow.
That's boss. Well, you too.
I'm taking all these arrows.
I want that arrow for the like my texture pack originally. Dude, it looks like Legend of Zelda.
Yeah, oh, and then kill me. Yes, victory. That's because I am a beast.
There's no spawn, you noob.
Oh, there isn't. Fuck.
Hey, I thought we can TP.
Oh, yeah, I'm just too lazy. This is a LAN server, so we don't get it like a full list of commands. And I want to do a tournament, but I don't have a server to do it on. Where the fuck are you? Randomly punching! Aw, you're flying. Oh, no! Not fair! No, run! What the frick just happened? I didn't fall into the world, I fell out. I'm an asshole. You won the second round. Hacker. Okay, so yeah, this has been a Chaos Speed. Also known as Chaotic Rainbow. Fuck you! Ass wipe. You ass wipe. Fuck you. Okay, YouTube, so this has been Chaos Speed and Wolf Shadow 727. Lame bear. Woo! Yes! I've won! No! No! Fuck you! Okay, so here to this has been Chaos Speed and Wolf Shadow 727. If you want to see more videos like this, like PvP awesomeness. Whoa, I just picked up that golden sword and I'm on. Oh my god, I'm gonna 360 this shit. I did it!